Hey guys, welcome back to the Joker channel. I'm Joker, of course. Thanks for the light back on. Thank you. I already got a different lip, but I'll put a killer filler in there. Oh, no question for you guys. If a man's in the woods, if a man is in the woods and a woman's not there, and he says something, is he still wrong? Something to think about. Well, anyways, today's gonna be a little different. Yes, we're different on Copenhagen wintergreen, but there's something that I've always had it for a year now. Got it for my 19th birthday, but that's this. It's my zippo. I don't know if you can see. What's this zippo? And it has two holes on it. Now, I had lost this during the winter, and I couldn't figure out where it was. So what I'm gonna do today is, it hasn't been filled in so long, is I'm gonna fill it and show you guys, it working. So, take a knife here. Oh, by the way, this is lighter fuel fluid for all wick lighters. Get this up here. I know there's an easier way of doing this. I'm lazy. Now, don't worry about it getting on your fingers, and I'll show you at the end. But what you want to do is take it, lift this felt up. If you're like me and have a dip in your lip, bit, let it sit there, soak in there for a little bit. Pick it up, pour some more in there. Let it sit there, soak into the radon balls. Or if you got cotton balls in there, because you lost the radon balls on there. Get a little squish down. Oh, get that felt back up. Oh, that piece of dip in there. Now, you can use just about any fluid that'll light a lighter in there. But it's preferred that you use lighter fluid for wick lighters. A little more in there. I like to do at least a few times. Small fingers, smell it. Tighten that up a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Like, see how I feel it is. I do what I do is I learned a trick from a guy who does things about zippos. What he does is this little sleeping bobber. Okay. See this right here for zippos? This thing right here. You flip that up, and what you do is you flip it like this, and you put it back in the case. So in case if anything spills out, just spills out in your case. And that way, you take it, you flip it up, flip it back. Okay, so one time, flip it like this, put that up like that. Make sure it's set up like that. And then flip it like this, put it in here. that. Now, what you do is you just flip it back like that. So, flip this top, the thing that you flip like this, flip it back. Now, take a while, and see, it lights. Now, I'm gonna do is I move that because like I don't want that flame to be that big. Move that down a little bit, and see, I just moved that down a little bit, and the flame is a little higher. And all I do is just take my fingers, comb the flames to get any excess fuel from fueling it. That's how I fill my zippo. Now, I do smoke from time to time, and I started this. I got a zippo before I started dipping, and I hated the conventional lighters, but I loved Zippo. I found it to be an amazing product. It's an all-American made product. I think, yep, all of it is made in the USA. I think if I even take this part out, even this is made in the States. It's like Zippo is the mud jug for smokers and anybody who loves lighters. And this is the box that came in. That's the Zippo brand box that comes from ordering off the website. See, this is the artist is Mazzy, and the design is called Winter. Has a picture of two wolves on it, and I have refills for magnesium and stuff like that, or flint. Yeah, but here's Woody. I'm spending Woody. But anyways, this is my mud jug for lighters. Now, Zippo's just like mud jug, very prices. I've never seen one higher than $50 or so, and they do have gold-plated Zippos, which depending on how much gold is on there, it can run you a few $100. But again, I had lost my Zippo. I didn't even know where it was. My brother, the cameraman, aka the Mexican I hired from Home Depot, found it in our bathroom. So just wanted to show you guys, that I filled it, and it's really cool. If you don't smoke, I suggest getting a Zippo because they're really good for survival situations. Even if you run out of fuel, the magnesium and the wheel part still strike a flame, still sparks. And when you're in your survival situation, you just scrape it off, like scrape a few. You can go go this way, and you light it like this. Well, you don't have to light it in there, but you scrape a few of that shreds on there. You put some, don't get some like kindling or whatever in there. Spark it up and it'll spark, and it'll hopefully start a fire for you. But if you don't, and you have it refilled, this is wind resistant, so you can get a fire going, no problem. You just don't want to get these wet. So if you're going, if you gotta go in a fire situation, always make sure you plastic this thing up. I mean, Zippos are always good to have on your person at all times. They're a fashionable lighter. They're very easy to maintain. They are just all around one of the best, are the best lighters that I've come to found to own. Just like my mud jug is the best spittoon that I've owned and used. Because one, it doesn't spill. Spill check. It doesn't spill. To a certain point of being full. And it's versatile. You can make that hole a little bit bigger and use it for, if you don't dip, you choose sunflower seeds. You can spit the casings out in the mud jug. Uh, Another thing for a mud jug is like for sodas. Put some ice in the bottom of that. Put your soda on there, and it'll keep it cool. I mean, there's many ways of using that, but the cameraman's like, "Oh, I found this. This would be a good idea for a video." Now, I do have questions for you guys. What type of guns do you guys like to shoot? And what's your favorite gun? Doesn't have to be one you own. Me, personally, I've always fancied hand revolvers and the 1911 series. So what I want to own, I don't own any guns right now. What I want to own is a set of 1911 45s. That the set's called Ebony and Ivory. And then eventually I want to get a Colt Peacemaker. But I also want to get a Henry or a Winchester repeating rifle. The gun that won the West. Well, I think it was either the Colt Peacemaker or the Henry or the Winchester. Or was it the Henry? Either the Henry or the Winchester repeating rifle that won the West. Well, I think it's probably Colt Peacemaker. But I want to own them. I want to own them. And I want to get an AR-15. I've always liked it. I find it, pretty cool looking. Also, what I want to do is, like, I don't want to own one per se. I mean, if I do end up owning one, it's cool. I like the gun anyways. I want to get a 15 caliber sniper rifle, and I want to shoot it, even though the ammo is expensive as shit. It's about 2 of these cans, pretty much. All between 1 and the price of ammo is like either between $2.50 and $5 a shot, which is pretty expensive for ammo. Now, I've shot all kinds of guns. I've shot 12 gauge and a 20 gauge. I shot a 30-06. I shot a 45 handgun, or 45 handgun, semi-automatic. And I shot a 45 revolver. I shot a 22 Ruger. I shot a 22 semi-automatic rifle. And I shot a 22 bolt action. The 30-06 was bolt action. I shot another one, but I don't remember the caliber. I haven't hunted, but I'd like to. What type of big game would you guys like? You guys like to hunt other than deer? For bows, I'm more of an old-fashioned kind of guy. I'm not a big, I'm not too big on compound bows, because for me, shooting a bow is more about nostalgia than high-techness. That's pretty much it. So comment down below what you guys' favorite gun. What would you guys like to own? What's your favorite gun you guys have shot? Mine's probably that 45. It's a mix up between the 45 handgun and the 45 revolver. The 30-06 I loved shooting. Same with the shotguns, but overall, and favorite is the handguns. Out of rifles, I did 30-06, and I also have shot black powder, like a musket. I've shot a musket, and I've shot a black powder rifle, old style black powder rifle. So like one that you would have seen with the mountain men and stuff like that. I shot one. I like shooting those very much. Those were pretty fun. Um, I like the rifle more than the musket. The musket wasn't so accurate. I mean, you had like a 50-50 chance of hitting the broadside of a barn with it from 100 yards away. So, what do you guys, like again, I know I'm repeating myself, but what's your guys' favorite type of gun you guys have shot? What's your favorite type of gun in general? You can have several. Just put them in the categories like pistol, rifle, shotgun, you know. Or and then black powder if you like black powder. Of course, that's a sort of a rifle, even though it's a black powder. Um, what's your guys' favorite type of big game to hunt other than deer? Um, big game, what I consider big game. I mean the usual, but if you've hunted pig, I would consider that. Here's what I should say. Anything. What's your favorite type of things to hunt? You know, other than deer. Birds. Why not? Just give that instead. Let's change that up. Not big game. Let's not limit it to big game, but to anything that you've hunted other than deer. What's your favorite animal that you've hunted other than deer? There we go. That's the question. Comment that below. Thank you for all my subscribers. I hope to get more. If you guys haven't heard, Joey Let's Dip in '94 has come back. People thought he wasn't going to come back until next year, but he came back. I think last weekend, or last week, or this week. I don't remember when I saw that video. I think it was the day after. But he is back and making videos now. He didn't make an official comeback video, but he made a review of Copenhagen Wintergreen. He reviewed it before, but his thoughts and opinions on it had changed. And he likes it. I mean, it's not going to be his everyday wintergreen dip, but every now and again he said he'll dip it. Would he buy it again? Maybe. There's a possibility. I mean, he said he'll probably bite every once in a while, but not like he would Red Seal wintergreen. Which, if you didn't know, Red Seal is made by the same company. Well, not like made by U.S. Smokeless, just like Copenhagen is. So give a shout out to Joey Let's Dip. Welcome back. Missed you like that. Shout out to Roberto Dip and Cowboy Dipper 22 and JD Hewitt and Full Review and the Canadian Dippers and Dual Dippers. Pack Dip will repeat. That's all one word in his name. I'd like to give him a shout out. Okay, and then Big Dipper Zach. You lucky fuck, you got mint. You were able to buy Copenhagen mint in, what is it, Florida or something like that? Hope you have a great time of, you know, chilling there, had a good vacation. Well, anyways, guys, if anybody I missed, I'd love to give a shout out to everyone I missed and didn't get. But anyways, always keep a lip packed and a can handy because life is better with a pinch. See you guys later.